From the first tractors in the early 20th century to today's automated machines, agricultural output has increased by more than 50% thanks to this innovation. With the ability to plow, sow, water, and harvest automatically, they have helped reduce human labor, increase productivity by up to 40%, and contribute significantly to ensuring global food security. So, how do these machines work? And what breakthroughs will they bring in the future? At the beginning of 2021, a historic moment was noted with amazement in the agricultural machinery world. In the vast fields of Andover, South Dakota, the 150C ASE road locomotive, one of the most remarkable steam tractors ever built, set a new record by successfully pulling 44 John Deere plowshares, surpassing last year's achievement with only 36 plowshares. This event took place at the James Valley Threshing Show, attracting a large number of agricultural machinery lovers from all over to witness the power of this legendary machine. It is becoming increasingly difficult to find people working with manual labor in the agricultural sector. The Netherlands, one of the countries with the largest cabbage growing area in Europe, has deployed the ASA Lift TK1000 e-cabbage harvester to harvest promptly before crop quality decreases due to rainy weather. The machine is capable of cutting one row of cabbage at a time, pulled by a John Deere 6115R and supported by a Fendt 313 Vario with collection trailer. Although wet field conditions make it difficult, the machine still ensures a fast harvest speed, bringing cabbage to market. In order to boost production and meet the demand for potato consumption domestically as well as worldwide, Ploeger AR4BX is not only a regular harvester, but also opens a new era for the potato harvesting industry in Europe. With the ability to harvest 4 rows of potatoes at the same time, it helps significantly increase productivity in large fields. Utilizing an average capacity of 30 tons per hour, the Ploeger AAR4BX can harvest more than 240 tons of potatoes per day, depending on field conditions. In addition, the machine is also equipped with advanced soil treatment technology to protect potatoes during harvesting, helping to reduce the damage rate to less than 2%. To create commercial tulips, the care process begins with the use of a John Deere 6130R machine combined with a JVS triple topper set capable of cutting 3 1.80 meter wide flower beds at a time. This device gently cuts off the flower tops so that the plant can focus its nutrients on growing tumors. With the ability to process 12 acres per day, the machine saves time and effort compared to manual cutting. After the flowers are removed, the tulip bulbs continue to grow to their optimal size, ready to be harvested and graded for consumption. Can you guess how big the field that Kemper Trekkerweb is harvesting is? Leave comment 1 to let me know your answer. In the summer of 2016, in large wheat fields of up to 15 acres in Illinois, C&G Farms launched a wheat harvest campaign. Due to the increasingly difficult need to hire workers, this farm decided to invest in 5 John Deere S-Series combine harvesters operating simultaneously. Each machine can harvest 40 tons of rice per day, helping the farm achieve output 200 tons/day under optimal conditions. Peterbilt and Kenworth trucks transport continuously to bring rice to storage. Thanks to modern technology and strict processes, C&G Farms has achieved record yields, affirming Illinois' position as one of the leading wheat-producing states in the U.S. Next is a modern agricultural spraying equipment from the leading professional company, Hayes Spraying. It is impossible not to mention one of the company's outstanding products, the autonomous trail boom spray. Highlights of this sprayer include spray width options from 12 meters to 27 meters, along with tanks from 1,000 liters to 3,000 liters. The system is equipped with precise spray technology and automatic height control, ensuring uniform spray performance even on complex terrain without harming your health. In order to create the best conditions for Anna Paulona's flower-growing work, NJJ Farm invested in a V. Dierstad carrier X425 with a price of about $32,540 USD to serve the needs of tilling the soil and preparing beds for plant. Specifically, in early spring 2023, when the flower growing area reached 123 acres, the machine demonstrated outstanding performance in soil treatment. With a working width of 13.9 feet and a 7-inch cutting disc system, the machine helps improve soil in just 5 days, creating ideal conditions for flower plants to grow well in the upcoming season. Once the grass is cut and stacked in regular rows across the farm's fields, Loenbedrijf Renson's choppers begin the harvesting process. With a harvesting speed of more than 50 tons per day, this machine not only helps to collect quickly, but also ensures that grass quality is maintained. After being chopped, the grass will be put directly onto trucks to be transported to storage or fed to livestock immediately. Join us to learn how Matthew Porter's farm in Maine solves the problem when soil quality reduces potato quality. The team of engineers developed AirSep technology over 12 months, helping to remove 99% of impurities and reduce the crushing rate to less than 2%. Integrating this technology into the Model 6160 harvester capable of harvesting 6 rows at the same time, Porter achieved an output of 150 tons per day, an increase of 30% compared to the old method without affecting potato quality. This success helped him maintain quality and increase productivity in Maine's stone fields. Appearing in the sprawling pine forests of Mangatainoka, New Zealand, the Spearhead 890 tea tree pruning machine from Tararua Hedge Cutting, limited mounted on a John Deere 6530, capable of reaching 14 meters and cutting tops at a height of 10 meters, with a 2.4 meter long blade and 4 tungsten-coated blades. The machine works at full capacity on large forest trees. When reaching dense areas, the machine switches to using a 1.6 meter wide cutting head to quickly handle thick branches. In one day, the machine can prune up to 12 acres of forest, ensuring the pine rows maintain a uniform height and shape. As shared by Andrew Nelson, who founded and tested the Nelson Harvester Orange Harvester, it has gone through many stages of development and improvement, with the goal of achieving high productivity and increasing harvesting efficiency. According to a recent report, the machine can now harvest up to 10 tons of oranges per hour, enough to meet the needs of an average orange processing factory and about 1/3 the capacity of large factories in Vietnam, Australia. Thanks to improved technical changes, The machine has reached a yield of 25 tons/hectare and protects the fruit from being crushed, improving quality during the harvesting process. If you are looking for a machine to support soil cleaning work, this machine, called a spider excavator, will be the right choice for your job. Weighing 29,762 pounds and generating 156 horsepower, the machine can work on slopes up to 45 degrees, thanks to its flexible chassis system and height-adjustable support bars. The machine reaches a maximum travel speed of 9.3 m and the ability to dig up to 20.31 feet deep and climb slopes. Completely different from traditional manual harvesting methods, Modi KE 3000 Hydros is superior thanks to its efficiency of 2,204.62 pounds/8. Distinguished by its overall dimensions of 279.5 inches in length, 110.2 inches in width, and 152 inches in height, and a weight of 16,534.7 pounds. The rugged design makes it easy to move in large fields. Flexible operation, thanks to the hydraulic system, ensures the harvesting process takes place continuously without technical problems.